Hello and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to recover your Outlook account's password. But before getting started, do remember to support our channel by hitting the like button, subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. First, go ahead and open your preferred browser on your mobile. Then on the search box, type outlook.com or simply perform a Google search for Outlook. Then open outlook.com, tap on sign in, tap on sign in again. Now for you to be able to reset your password on your mobile through your browser, you're going to have to enable desktop site, which is a feature on Google Chrome. So go ahead and tap on the three-dotted icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to see the desktop site option. Select it, and after it has been refreshed, simply enter your email address that your Outlook account is associated with. Tap on next. Now go ahead and tap on use your password instead and tap on forgotten your password. This will redirect you to this page and you can select the option through which you can get your verification code to verify your identity. If you have linked a phone number with your Outlook account, then it will also show an option sending the verification code through your phone. However, since I do not have that and I have only my email linked, this option is selected. I simply tap on the get code and then a code will be sent to my Gmail account. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Gmail account, and then you'll be receiving an email from Microsoft that reads password reset code, and if you scroll down enough you'll see the code provided to you. Simply long press on it, tap on copy, go back to the browser and paste your code. Tap on next. Then you'll be able to create a new password for your account. Simply enter the new password and confirm the new password and tap on next. And the next time you're logging into your Microsoft account, you'll be using this password and the email that you've associated your account with to log into your Outlook account. And this is how you can recover your Outlook account's password, or you can reset your Outlook account's password. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.